Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Tip Nest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another WhatsApp account on your phone. Whether you want to separate your business and personal chats, or just need two accounts. Let's dive right in. If you don't have the WhatsApp app, download it from the Play Store for Android, or the App Store for iOS. Since I already have it installed, I'll open the app. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Once the Settings menu opens, go to Account. This option is usually the first one, but if it's not, look for it and then tap on it. In the next menu, you have options for email, changing your phone number, and others. Now, since we want to add another account, go to Add Account and then tap Add Account again and continue. Here, you need to select the country you're from and add the phone number for the second account. Once you've done that, tap Next. You should receive a verification code, which might take a few minutes to arrive. After entering the code, you've successfully created another account on your WhatsApp app. And that's it! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tip Nest for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.